We got game at TC. Partner what you want, I say player what you need. We bitches something for the fiends. Say no hate for the green. Paper chasing Cali scheme. Cali scheming. Cali scheming. Peer game at TC. Partner what you want, I say player what you need. We bitches something for the fiends. Say no hate for the green. Paper chasing Cali scheme. Cali scheming.
Your USB is a problem. So
that one. So get another one.
Yeah, my USB is reading.
Okay.
So any design. So Mando, the copy, and then the number 4, room number 4, the save, the design to the room number 4.
Okay.
So
And then I will read it.
yeah, and then previous. So change design next. So Mando, and then okay, we're gonna. So now needle number 1. Okay, so we doing the cap, so we need to change the angle, the setting, the basic, and then number 3 angle.
Okay.
180 previous. To change the angle, and setting. So needle. So we're gonna change the needle number 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay.
Select 11. The 11 the plus 10, and the 1. 11.
Oh, to make 11.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then 12, and then 13, and then 15.
Okay.
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 So good to go. Just the previous. And the sub work, the trace. We need the trace. Sub work.
Oh, so that traces it.
Yeah, and the trace number 6. So change the trace.
And that's where it's gonna go.
Okay, sub work, trace. Okay.
And I want it to go up more, so I have to trace that part.
A little bit more. Okay, start. Go to the number 11.
Mine's coming. You want to increase it? By cellular. Yeah, by cellular. Yeah. If anything, do you guys have like a website I know to call to like watch videos?
Yeah. I think so.
Oh, you put it through like easy.
Yeah.
You've been doing this for a long time?
Over 15.
Oh, shoot. That's how you decide real quick, man.
It's very thick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one. This is
Very thick, man. So what kind of sweaters do you use? Like this kind of material?
whatever
Any
you want.
kind?
Yeah, any kind.
Because some people are saying that it doesn't work if it's thin material. So it would work? You have to use a certain kind of hat?
Move to the needle number 1.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna sewing here. Okay. So setting needle number 1, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Okay.
Okay.
So walk, press.
It's too big. Can I rest for a little bit in the car? Just give me a little quick nap. Yeah?
I'm drinking that.
You want something else? Want like a Starbucks little upper?
No, I have that Starbucks drink right here that I'm trying to fucking drink. What the fuck? Trying to give me the shit. Nah, it's
No,
not
I'm recording right. Oh, it's for me anyways.
Yeah. Give a fuck. It's like a badass brother.
This is badass, so. Now we'll be able to do hats, and I have the holla hats too. But we don't have hats like this. We have like regular, like, they're thicker. I think we should get thinner ones like this. So once we get more money,
I mean,
sell those other ones.
See what they sell for.
Yeah.
Well, just post that shit over.
I know. Well, I'm gonna start making some of this. Then I could go to the
I'll be your gorda
remate.
supermodel.
Then I could go to the remate and fucking start selling them.
I'll be your gorda supermodel.
Yeah. Ooh.
But youngster, bitch, you old. Oh.
Hey, young life, bitch. Young life. Hey, forever young. It's gonna be forever young.
Bitch, you old. Stop.
I'm like, why am I so good?
USB?
Yeah.
The input
Input,
and the floppy.
floppy.
So now reading, green light,
Okay. Those are all the patterns.
and then I test. Copy. Select number 6. 12 years. You can see the design. This is the eye test.
Okay.
So the needle okay.
All the needles.
Yeah. double twist. 이렇게 한 바탕. 빨리 오셨네요. Okay, I'm gonna make the invoice,
Okay.
okay?
Testing it out, making sure everything works. And it shows you which one you're doing too. Yeah. It's showing, no, it's just intensive. It's showing me that it's getting all the stitches and all the colors so that they all work. Oh, I have it.
And you know how to put them together.
Yeah. The black one right now.
It's cool how it cuts it.
I know. Some of them, that one didn't, but. So it doesn't have 1 and 2 though. So. Oh, it's the third couldn't stop. Oh, because it's short. Oh, this one. Okay. It was on this one. Well, it stops on this one.
Paper chasing, trunk banging like King Kong. And sit your Cali, we on. Why you hating? But she say she know. Ain't no funkin' with my people. Black and brown like I'm gold toes. Ain't no posing for no photos. To the cuts like a Savvy. I told you they can't stand me. I say, mama, why you hand me? Let these bitches call me daddy. I got hella hood Grammys and all my boys are family. And we ride till we die. And we stay reppin' for those that die before they time. And I do this cause I'm hungry. Face looking like you disgusted. Run up and get